Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to make money on Temu. This is actually really easy to do, but make sure to watch this entire video so you don't miss out any steps. So the first thing you need to do is open up Temu app. So from here, you want to click on New on the bottom middle part of the screen. Then scroll down and hit on Settings. If you don't have an account yet, make an account, of course, and the key is to change your country and the region to United States. Now, I'm going to show you why. So, once you have changed it and click on United States, you want to go back and have this option right over here. Still in your U page, going to say earn credits and free gifts. Go ahead and click that. So now you can see that there's a bunch of different options and offers for you to choose from for you to get a lot of PayPal money. You can see they have a cash reward where you can actually get literally $200. You have also free gifts and the lucky flip. So what you want to do is open the redeem cash and you will be redirected to another page. So there's a rule with this one. So you just need to read the instructions so you can know what is the terms that is containing this to redeem coins and official rules. So what you want to do is press on start. And then once you're here, the way that this works is that Temu is going to make you promote your own affiliate link and your referral code to friends and family members. So to basically whoever, and if they use your referral code and your link, then you can actually get a certain amount of money cash out into your PayPal. So this is the steps. So refer friends, then spin the wheel to earn coins, then redeem your star coins for cash. So just follow the steps and that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!